How to set the camera quality optimization to maximum, medium, or minimum on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, we tap on the quick controls button and then tap on settings. In the camera settings, we scroll down and then tap on intelligent optimization. And in the quality optimization, you can choose between maximum, medium, so this will speed up capturing time by doing less optimization, or you can choose minimum, and this will take pictures as fast as possible by not optimizing pictures after they are taken. And here say these settings only affects photo mode. And that's it. Here, if you turn on medium, if you turn on maximum, you can also choose to turn on or turn off scene optimizer. So automatically optimize the color and contrast of pictures to make dark scenes look brighter, or food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.